the Harrier N80 with the new navigator chip there. Nice little screen, easy to read. We'll make the mod a bit cheaper as well, using their own chip. We'll be testing this bad boy out. We're coming with a review, of course, whenever I'm ready. So yeah, stay tuned. Vape Life Matters.